What if I told you that some of the most powerful machines on Earth are not building cities above ground, but silently shaping the world deep beneath our feet? Miles below highways, factories, and skyscrapers, massive underground systems are constantly moving. They dig, they transport, they reshape entire landscapes without most people ever noticing. These are the hidden giants of modern industry. Machines that carve tunnels through mountains. Machines that move thousands of tons of material every hour. Machines that make modern infrastructure possible. And today, we're going underground to discover 3 incredible machines that keep industry moving where no sunlight ever reaches. But before we begin, if you enjoy discovering the machines that quietly power our world, consider subscribing to the channel. It really helps the channel grow and allows us to explore even more incredible engineering. Now, let's go underground. Deep underground, far below cities and highways, one of the most fascinating machines ever created is slowly carving through rock. It's called a tunnel boring machine, or simply a TBM. From the outside, a tunnel boring machine looks almost like a gigantic steel worm. The front is dominated by an enormous rotating cutter head, sometimes more than 15 meters wide. Covered with dozens of hardened cutting discs, this spinning face slowly crushes rock, grinds through soil, and pushes forward meter by meter. Behind the cutter head is a long chain of support systems: hydraulic cylinders, conveyor belts, power systems, ventilation units. Some tunnel boring machines are so long they stretch more than 150 meters underground. That's longer than a football field. As the machine pushes forward, it removes thousands of tons of rock and soil. But the real magic happens right behind the cutting head. Massive robotic arms place thick concrete segments to form the walls of the tunnel. Piece by piece, a perfectly round tunnel forms, all while the machine continues its slow journey forward. These machines are responsible for building subway systems, water tunnels, high-speed rail routes, and even underground highways. Some projects take years, but without tunnel boring machines, many modern cities simply couldn't exist. Yet digging tunnels is only part of the underground story. Because once those tunnels exist, another kind of machine takes over. In mines and industrial tunnels around the world, another hidden giant keeps materials moving: underground conveyor systems. At first glance, they may look simple, just long moving belts carrying rock or ore. But modern conveyor networks are engineering marvels. Some underground conveyors stretch for dozens of kilometers, running deep beneath mountains and industrial complexes. Instead of trucks burning fuel and producing emissions, these massive conveyor systems move material continuously, hour after hour, day after day. A single high-capacity conveyor belt can move more than 10,000 tons of material per hour. Coal, iron ore, copper concentrate, gravel, all flowing through underground arteries that keep global industries alive. Sensors monitor belt tension. Motors adjust speed automatically. Control rooms track every meter of movement. If a problem appears, the system reacts instantly. Modern conveyor networks are also becoming smarter. AI systems predict wear. Sensors detect vibrations. Maintenance teams are alerted before failures happen. It's quiet, efficient, and incredibly powerful. But moving material through tunnels is only one part of the underground world. Because sometimes machines must work in places where tunnels haven't even been built yet. In the deepest mines on Earth, conditions can be extreme. High temperatures, crushing pressure, limited ventilation. For decades, this environment required thousands of human workers. But today, a new generation of machines is taking over the most dangerous tasks. Autonomous underground mining robots. These machines navigate dark tunnels using LiDAR sensors, radar, and advanced mapping systems. They can drill, load ore, transport materials, all without a human driver inside. Some mining trucks now operate completely autonomously deep underground. Operators control them remotely from safe control rooms many kilometers away. These machines never get tired, they never lose focus, and they can work around the clock. The result is safer mines and dramatically increased efficiency. Entire underground operations are slowly transforming into automated industrial ecosystems. A world where machines cooperate to extract resources with incredible precision. The hidden industrial world. Most people rarely think about what happens underground. But beneath our cities and beneath our industries, an entire mechanical world is constantly moving. Tunnel boring machines quietly expanding infrastructure. Massive conveyor systems transporting millions of tons of materials. Autonomous robots working in deep mines. Together, these machines form a hidden network that powers modern civilization. Without them, many of the things we rely on every day would simply not exist. And the next time you walk through a subway tunnel or drive through a mountain highway tunnel, remember something. At some point in the past, a gigantic machine was there first, slowly cutting through rock, quietly shaping the underground world that keeps our industries moving. And if you enjoy discovering the incredible machines that power modern civilization, don't forget to subscribe for more stories from the world of engineering and industrial megastructures. Because the most fascinating machines on Earth are often the ones hidden just beneath our feet.